In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use the SUMPRODUCT function with criteria in Microsoft Excel. So the SUMPRODUCT function just basically gets the sum of the products of the corresponding arrays that we pass into it. So let's just say, as a basic example, I want us to get the profit in dollars from these sales right here. To do that using the SUMPRODUCT function, we pass it e equals SUMPRODUCT, open parentheses, and the first array is going to be the sales, comma, the second array is going to be the profit margin. And as you can see, the answer right here is 1,939.2, where basically it just goes through and it says, okay, 459 times 0.7 plus 388 times 0.2 plus 474 times 0.3, and so on and so forth. But what if you want to do this for just the North region, for example? Well, instead of having just these arrays right here, we can use the filter function to pass the filtered array into this product right here. So to show you what I mean by that, I'm going to bring down the North region real quick. Let's just say we wanted to get the array for these sales and the array for the profit margin using the filter function. To do this, we can do equals filter, and we want to filter the sales wherever the region is north. So to comma for the next argument, we want to include where the region is equal to north. And as you can see, now we have filtered wherever the region is north. I'm going to copy and paste right here. And now we have the same thing. We're going to adjust the column to where instead of it referencing the sales, it's going to reference the profit margin. Now we have two filtered arrays, where one is the sales and then the second is the profit margin, wherever the region is north. And in the SUMPRODUCT function, instead of just passing in the two arrays right here, we're going to pass in these two filter functions. So to do that, we're going to copy and paste this really quickly right here. And we're going to equal SUMPRODUCT, open parentheses. First array is the first filter function with the sales, and then the second array is going to be the profit margin. As you can see, now we have the sales for just the north. I'm going to kind of copy and paste this up real quick to a little summary table. Move the north up here to bring this right here, and there you have it. Now I'm going to go through. I'm going to lock down my cells real quick so we can kind of just drag this down really easily. So bear with me for a second, making sure that as I drag this down, nothing will change except for the region it's been referenced to. And as you can see, as I drag this down, the first filter function is getting the sales for the region, and the second filter function is getting the profit margin for the same sales in that region, and is going through and using the SUMPRODUCT to get the profit margin for each region. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.